What is up, everybody? How's it going? We're going to be doing my predictions for the 2022 Supercross 450 class. So, if you find yourself here often, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting more, and subscribe down below for your predictions. You think I'm right or wrong, or whatever you want to say, and let's get into it. So, we're going to start with the obvious. Cooper Webb. I think he's going to be a favorite for the title because obviously he won last year. He's won 2 out of the last 3. Yes, he changed trainers, so that's going to be a big thing, but I still think he's going to be good. Obviously, he's on the KTM, which is a winning bike. His teammate, Aaron Plessinger, who knows? Obviously, he started showing some speed in the outdoors on the Yamaha, then switched, so he's kind of a wild card at the moment. You have, again, perennial favorites, Eli Tomac, Ken Roczen, Justin Barcia, who I all think are going to win races this year, especially Barcia. He looked really good, or is looking really good on the gas, and just got a extension on his contract, so I think that's going to be a little extra motivation. You still have Chase Sexton, who has yet to win a race on the 450. I think you'll see him catch a couple, 1 or 2 this year, just because he's fast. I mean, let's be honest about it. Everyone in this class is fast, but you have obviously the guys that are factory riders or just the full speed that you have to look out for more. Dean Wilson, always a top 10 racer, one of my personal favorites. I don't think he'll probably win a race this year, but you can always catch him in the top 10, 10 through 5. He'll be up there. Dylan Ferrandis obviously shows a lot of speed. Has his MX title under the belt now, so he's gonna have a little bit of a boost to say, hey, I'm not just an outdoors guy, I can win indoors too. You have Malcolm Stewart on a new team under a factory contract again, or like not again, but now. Adam Cianciarulo, he's hurt, so that's just, it sucks for him. Oh, man, there's so many people. Eli Tomac, like I said, he's going to be fast on his new bike. You've got El Hombre, Jason Anderson on a new bike, so kind of, same thing with him. See if he can get his form back from a few years ago when he won on the Husky. I'm not so sure about that. He seems to be, have the speed, but not the consistency of most of the top guys at the moment, or for the last couple of years. So, I don't know. I'm saying top 3 for the year. You'll get Cooper, Tomac, and I bet you out of the blue, I don't know. I can't think of. I mean, obviously, yeah. Wow, real hot take right there, Cooper, Tomac. But obviously, they are the 2 fastest guys, and they have been for years. Like, barring some injuries, they're going to be up front. I bet you do see Chase Sexton take some points this year. I'm going to see if Justin Barcia wins another A1. I bet you he does a lot better this year than he did last year. Again, some time on the bike, new contract. I think he'll do well. He's going to be top 5. Ken Roczen, depends on how he feels. Again, if his sickness and all that stuff is fixed or not, if he has the drive to especially after losing last year. But I don't know. I'm gonna say Cooper repeats. That's gonna be my take for the year. I like Cooper. I like the KTM. I think he has a really good program around him, and obviously a really good bike, and proven that he can win now consistently, not just once, but multiple years. I bet you he repeats this year. Second, I'm going to say Tomac's pushing him all year long. Ken Roczen 3rd, and I bet you get Barcia 4th, Anderson 5th, Sexton 6th, and then there's 40 other guys, so who knows from there. But again, tell me down below, comment down below, whatever you want to do, and yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.